castle or fire department?
Fire. Go fire department.
Does that mean it's hot or does that mean it's not hot?
Up and down or down?
I'm
Outside.
gonna go that roof.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
We're actually okay.
Hostile UAV overhead.
This stuttering is crazy. It's lag.
Hostile UAV.
Oh, it's still starting for you?
A little bit. I'm not stuttering now, it's more lagged. I guess it's just a patch.
我真係唔知我件 Tom West 我嚟做乜鳩？傾啲唔通我 TeamSpeak 個 Discord？
Oh, random fucking lot office. Foxy, looted here early.
It's 20k, right?
Maybe. Ooh, mad money on the table.
Oh, we should have enough either way.
Do we need Foxy?
Enemy soldier incoming.
Shit, I have so much. I'm coming back to the buy.
Yo, Foxy can go down that time.
I got money.
Hostile UAV in this sector. Inbound.
I need money.
Maybe an armor box.
I agree.
It actually like
Yeah.
almost hit the head. Like the straight up smoke. Like the grenade itself.
Dropping armor box.
Armor here. Your team made it to the safe zone.
Yeah, our extra armor keeps dropping to the side.
It's very annoying.
I need more sniper ammo. Not that one.
I'm on top of it.
I hear a bomb gun.
People flying?
Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them. Hostile UAV overhead. Got one sided here. Moving.
On the roof also?
Enemy visual.
There's that.
Back them.
我等一陣，
How am I not hitting them?
Oh, wow. Interrogate, interrogate, interrogate. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
on，ready fire 邊？哇喺上邊喂，
上邊 What?
係咪啊？定係佢哋呢個？哦，唔係唔係唔係，
Attack them.
à? 下邊有人。I think I heard someone downstairs.
I need more sniper.
Planting mine. UAV active. Heads up. Fog incoming. Visibility will be affected.
Ouch.
Car coming, car coming.
Hold on, hold on. Getting my gas kicked.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
They got off.
Someone got in.
Marking enemy.
I'm getting ammo downstairs.
Okay.
Oh shit, he's on the ground floor. I didn't get him. He went to the fly.
Oh, someone came up!
Right.
Oh, I'm dead. So dead. Yes, get him.
Oh shit, I got precision strike, I'm dying.
Your squad mates back on station.
Oh shit.
Oh, more mortar strike.
Safe on this side.
Ah, run.
Oh, someone's up here. Careful.
Alright, hit him a few times. I'm plating.
You have reinforcements in.
Opposite side to
Alright. He's super jumping. He's on the roof.
Alright, I'm moving to your side.
Alright.
Let's jump off, dude. We don't need to fight them here. I'm dipping. Still over here.
Alright. Oh, let me out.
Back on station. Good work.
Someone just dropped it on the right side. Careful.
Okay, I'm running.
He jumped out. Towards loadout.
What?
Oh, I'm a
I
Joe
just saw
shark
it.
now. Okay.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Under you, Boxy. Top of you.
Down one, down one, down.
Your squad mates MIA. We're reducing redeployment time.
3 of them. Oh shit.
Down one. Finish one.
Mark remaining operators from that squad.
There's a lot. There's a lot. There's a lot.
Okay.
We don't need to go that side. Let's move back to there first, yeah.
Coming.
呢度有 play 又成啊，Jo。
係咩？
屌，頭先急得滯，執咗支 shotgun 同埋支 SMG 添呀。
乜少？做咩？你兩支炸槍啊？
係啊，一支
哦
炸，支 SMG 炸。I mean 支 shotgun 炸。
但係你有正常槍打啫。
係啊。我求其喺地下執支 AR。
This place is really weird. Right? This place is a bit weird. It's like a cave.
Hostile UAV in this sector. Enemy dropping into
Someone's
the
dropping
AO.
in.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
I heard sparks.
We go soon.
Someone's here. Someone's here.
He
someone's
pushed
here.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah. He pushed inside.
There's more than one peeking, taking turns. It's a bad person.
Marking the rest of them.
Stun one.
We keep doing the same thing.
Get hunting. Hostile UAV in this sector.
Ate it to the
There's
face.
another chest here, but I just don't know what kind of chest it is.
有冇突然支槍佢哋？
Resurgence
對
win.
對
對
有大把槍佢哋大把槍。
Hostile UAV overhead.
It's like a stupid throwing
Fire
knife.
sales over. Adjusting prices.
都支
I hear a
手
suit.
有冇人有 AR 啊？I mean sniper ammo。
有地下好多好多
Okay.
Okay.
OK。
Yeah, they're up top. Hit him. We need to go soon.
Gas moving in.
There's people to our left also. Like they're fighting.
All the fuck they doing is camping a fucking spot.
How do we get out of here? Your side or my side?
Safe zone now.
We can do your side.
That two guy might fuck us up.
They're looking. Oh my
Yeah,
god. There's a fucking hard place to fucking
Down them.
jump.
Use your attack map to hunt down the rest.
One more. Cracked him. Down.
Launch remaining operators from that squad.
Okay, my guy died also.
I'm moving forward.
Second guy. I go.
UAV overhead.
Should be okay.
See ahead? Oh, that was a bush. God damn it. It's because my strafes. It looks just like it. Yo, I'm gonna drop the revive pistol since you guys don't have res.
Second chances.
Okay.
Almost.
I got it. Too slow. I got it.
Supply crates
Okay.
on the
Ooh.
job. Advise you load up now.
Cluster here.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Heads up, Ultra. The
Oh, jumping
has
in.
identified unsanctioned soup activity in the area.
We're at the cross, huh?
We have to cross.
Can we just go to the water on that side, like over there or something? Or we stay water on over here?
Can do. Can do. We go now.
UAV in this sector.
Water people don't fun. Another pistol, go. Alright.
Ain't no way that's the same fucking group, yo.
Ultra One, all
Are they
rogue
mad?
soups have exited the AO. You're clear to proceed.
I'm in the water.
Gas is closing in.
All right, moving.
Ultra One, we're tracking a V-enhanced operator
He's over,
near
right?
your location. Stay sharp.
Oh, I just cracked him.
UAV overhead. All Ultra, no unsanctioned soup activity detected at this time. Ultra One, we're not seeing any rogue soups in the area. You're clear for now.
Oh my god, does the boat kill you?
There's people inside the White
Okay,
House.
we don't have to push too far yet. We don't have to push too far yet. I'm just watching our back right now.
Okay.
It's your call if we stay on this side or go to the other side of the bridge, around there.
I think we have. We'll. High chance we're gonna have to go to graveyard side.
Graveyard side. Okay. Let's go two then. Let's go two first then. I'm gonna take the other. I'm gonna take the bottom.
Actual to Ultra One. Soups active near your position. Prep for contact.
Circle closing. Yep, we gotta go.
How do we go up?
We have to go up.
Around, up in there?
Hostile dropping into the area.
Someone's dropping in.
Moving to my mark.
He's dropping into the loadout over there. I'm just gonna go.
Okay, I'm going.
Oh shit, fucking train.
Hostile UAV active.
Rifle here.
We go in.
Behind me, high alert, triggered.
All Ultra be
Yep,
advised.
they're looking at us.
Enhanced
Okay, I went inside.
in the area. Engage with
Alright, I'm in.
Planting
Ultra One, we're tracking a rogue soup.
Super jump behind me.
Engage at your discretion. Hostile UAV overhead.
Advise you move to the safe zone now.
Moving here.
He's right over this, I think. He's up.
Hang on.
I downed him anyway.
His corpse
That's
super
funny.
jumped.
You've made it to the top 10.
There's a hole right here.
Soup is down. The FBS
Where we
is
going?
gonna like this.
I think we just creep forward, right?
Yeah, this bush is okay for me.
Oh, one just ran across.
Okay. Oh, okay.
One's on the roof.
You're incoming. Enemy visual.
Do we sneak on the right side of the church, or?
I think right side. I think we do right side.
You're losing ground.
Very, very slow circle.
You're far from the safe zone. Advise you start moving.
He's up there. Oh, nice. Plating.
Okay,
I
moving.
got no gas mask, I have to move.
I don't have gas mask either.
Okay.
I found
Alright,
this
I'll watch
on the
back.
web.
Oh, there's a window here, y'all. There's a window here. Careful.
Okay. My mortar. Crack one in the mortar.
I'm moving in. I'm moving in.
Go, go, go.
Setting Claymore.
Ultra be advised. Enhanced operations in the area. Engage with caution.
Laser on top.
There's a soup on top.
Oh,
He's really hurt.
I got the top. Got the top. One's behind the bus.
Copy. Phoenix 2-3 on approach. Threat inbound.
Two solos. Two people left.
Impact, no choice.
I'm plating.
Alright.
Throwing a stun grenade.
Last guy.
Left side. I gotta look at.
Or be killed.
Somewhere on the left side, I think. I gotta look
up,
at.
up.
Behind.
Took the wing.
Ah, no.
3. Was it 3?
Hey.
Kinda. If you don't count the crashes.